So I did something a little weird. While searching on how to make money online, I asked AI to make TikTok videos for me. No face, no voice. Honestly, I barely did anything. I just gave ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI a few prompts, copied what they gave me, and this is what
Be
I
honest,
got.
are you secretly doing Ozempic?
No, I'm not risking side effects. Just this juice every morning.
Cap, show me what it is.
It's called Ikra Juices. TikTok made me try it. Now I'm
Girl,
20.
remember Jake? He just texted me.
After a month, what did you say?
I used that exact message from that weird obsession thing I told you about.
MG, it worked?
He said he couldn't stop thinking about me after I sent it.
Send me the guide right now.
Here's the link. It's
Now, people thought it was a real conversation. TikTok pushed it, and yeah, it made money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing. You won't need any fancy equipment, and I'm using all free tools, okay? Plus, I'll show you a weird niche video style you've probably seen, but never thought to try. Now, first things first, we need something to promote. You can use platforms like Digistore, Max Bounty, GiddyUp, or any of these affiliate marketing platforms is fine, okay? But personally, I stick with ClickBank. It's fast, free, and packed with products that people are really emotional about. Think weight loss, dating, manifesting, stuff that gets people fired up. So I asked DeepSeek AI, in the health niche, what's a high converting product with emotional hooks on ClickBank? And it suggested this one, Mytolin. It's a weight loss drink with insane reviews. Remember, these new models are trained on super recent data, right? So it knows exactly what's selling across all the affiliate platforms. If you haven't already, go to ClickBank, sign in, and head to the marketplace where you can pick out products to promote. You can find a ton of options, but I sometimes like to use the Gravity feature over here. It shows you which products are hot sellers. Or if you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can go for something new that's just starting to pick up steam. And the goal is choose something that's proven to work. Trust me, it makes this whole process way easier. But honestly, you can just follow what DeepSeek suggested and you're already on the right track, okay? This is a very good affiliate product to promote. Perfect skincare cream. And it says, Prime Biome is a great fit for women over the age of 35 dealing with wrinkles, saggy, dry, or oily skin, dark spots, or acne, blah blah, and all of that. The product helps majorly to repair the gut and skin microbiome. You get the point, right? Remember, skincare has become a daily routine for most people, okay? So you might want to look into promoting Prime Biome. And if you're looking for a skincare-related affiliate offer to promote, definitely this product it is. And this is exactly how much you can earn in commissions by promoting this affiliate product. All right, here's exactly what you'll want to do next. Open up a Google Docs or any document editor you prefer. Paste in the affiliate product name, for us it's Mytolin, and your unique affiliate link, okay? Just come over here and click the promote button to grab your affiliate link. Make sure that your link redirects to a VSL, video sales letter. If there are multiple land page options, because people are much more likely to watch and listen than to sit and read long blocks of text. So a VSL works best here. I will stick with the default. As for the tracking parameter section, you can leave it as is since we're not using any, okay? Once you've got that link copied and pasted into your doc, you're good to go. Now, here's the fun part, creating the video content. You don't even have to write the text conversation to promote it. AI does it all for you. So I gave ChatGPT this prompt. Write a fake iMessage conversation where someone explains how they lost weight using a mysterious dietary supplement. Keep it casual, emotional, and engaging. And remember, the purpose of this chat is to promote Mytolin weight loss supplement. And there you go, beautiful convo. It started with Maya as the sender and Jess as the receiver. And reading the conversation, Maya says, "Girl, what did you do? You look amazing in your new pics." And Jess replies, "OMG, stop. Thank you. It's been a journey, seriously, Maya." "No, but for real, how? I swear last time we talked you were still struggling with energy and cravings." Jess, "I was. That's the craziest part. I honestly felt stuck. Nothing worked, Kito." Now you get the point, right? You can tweak the tone, add emojis, make it feel super real. That's what hooks people, okay? And you might be saying, "So, Christine, how do you make money with these fake text conversations?" Well, I'm going to show you how shortly. Just pay close attention, okay? Now, while in the conversation, I love how ChatGPT did the CTA. And Jess says, "Right, now I'm down 18 total. Clothes fit better. I'm not starving myself. It feels sustainable, finally. I actually like how I feel in my body again." Maya, "I need this like yesterday. Send me the link." Jess, Haha, already on it. I'll DM it to you. Get the one with the cellular blend. That's what worked for me. Beautiful closing, beautiful, if you ask me. The message was delivered nicely in a conversational style, and this is the best way to market. Once you provide value or proof that your product can solve real-life problems, then you are forever going to smile to the bank. Now, this strategy doesn't just work for weight loss products. In fact, it works even better in the relationship and manifestation niches. I'll drop a prompt for that niche as we go. Here's what to do next. Copy the entire text and paste it into a Google Doc. Feel free to tweak it if you want to match your personal style. That part's totally up to you. This is the most crucial and honestly the most fun part of the whole tutorial. We're going to turn it into a video, okay? And I use a tool called VidAI for this. I'll link it below. Once you head over to VidAI and log in, you'll land on the main interface. And from there, it's super intuitive. And it says, what type of video would you like to create? If you choose Create Shorts, that's strictly for videos between 1 to 90 seconds. Perfect for IG Reels, YT Shorts, and all of that, okay? But if you're going for long-form video, you'll have up to 10 minutes to work with, right? Which is ideal for explainer videos, storytelling, and more. Anyways, our focus right here is on creating promotional material using fake text. So click on Fake Text. You'll see two options. Either let the AI write a script for you based on a prompt or paste in your own text. For this tutorial, we're going with the second option. Just paste the script we created earlier. First things first, change the sender's name to Maya. Over in the editing section, I'll start pasting the script bit by bit from the very beginning. You can also add extra chat layers or even images if you want to take it a step further, okay? Now, I'm going to run through this process off camera so we can keep things moving and wrap up the video quickly. For the theme, we're going with black. Clean, simple, and easy on the eyes. I'll use the Minecraft video style since it's trending and getting tons of traction right now. And yes, you can also upload any background video, whether it's something you made or found online. Just make sure it's attention-grabbing, okay? Since both characters in our script are female, I'm choosing Rachel for the sender and Matilda for the responder. And that's it. Easy peasy, right? Now hit render and you're good to go. Then click on download to have your video. All right, moving on to the next step. This part is important, so I want you to keep an open mind. We've already picked our affiliate offer from ClickBank, right? And we've also put together some solid marketing material. Basically, your creative ads. So what's next? It's time to choose the right social media platform to promote your content. Now, if you're thinking of posting the same video across multiple platforms, pay close attention because this is where most people miss the mark. And here's the truth. No one really tells you this part. Even top YouTubers often make it look effortless. But in reality, you've got to be strategic with your content promotion, okay? Just dumping your video everywhere won't cut it. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, chances are you don't even have a dedicated business or marketing page yet, right? Don't worry, we'll start from scratch. Let's take TikTok as an example. When setting up your TikTok profile, your bio doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it clean and curiosity-driven. Something like real convos, real results. Juice I'm using. You see the vibe, right? Create a fresh TikTok account around your niche. If you're doing weight loss texts, name it something like @Juice Texts, Body Glow Texts, or simply use a generic username. Use a bio that teases curiosity, not the product, okay? And drop your link using Linktree or Beacons AI. Now, TikTok doesn't allow direct links in video descriptions like YouTube or Pinterest does, right? That means if you try to drop a straight-up affiliate link, it's not going to work the way you want. And that's exactly why tools like Linktree are super helpful. It's free, easy to use, and it lets you neatly organize all your important links in one place, okay? And when someone clicks your TikTok bio, they'll see a little menu, maybe a button that says My Daily Juice Routine or Lose Belly Fat Naturally. That's where your affiliate link goes. And that's how you start making real money online, even with zero experience. So for this tutorial, we're actually going to use Pinterest instead, because Pinterest does allow direct links, which makes your life a little easier when you're just starting out. You can post an eye-catching pin, write a short description, and importantly, your affiliate link is right there, clickable. You will need to open a business Pinterest if you haven't yet. I've actually made a video tutorial showing you exactly how to do it. It's a step-by-step walkthrough, and I'll drop the link for that below this video. All right, let's move on to the next point. All right, once you're logged in, go ahead and click on this button. It'll take you straight to the interface you see here. From there, click on Trends. Now, here's where Pinterest stands out. Unlike a lot of other platforms, Pinterest actually gives you a preview of what's currently trending. This is a goldmine. It helps you understand what's really popular right now and what you should be promoting. Makes sense, right? If you look closely, you'll see my region is set to the US, so all the trends showing up here are based on high search volume over the last 30 days in the US. These are few of the top keywords people have been searching for lately. Nails, outfit ideas, hairstyles, future wedding plans template. So let's say you're an affiliate for an apparel brand. This is the perfect opportunity to jump in and promote fashion-related content on Pinterest. Or you could head over to Canva, download a free wedding planner template, okay, and sell it right here on Pinterest for a profit. Food recipes are also trending right now. To get more targeted with your research, let's go to the filter section. Under Trends Type, select Growing Trends. This option helps you spot keywords that are starting to gain traction, essentially helping you catch trending keywords early before they get saturated. Next, go to the Interest section. Scroll through and choose the niche you're targeting. You can select multiple at once, but I personally recommend sticking with one at a time for more focused results, okay? You can leave the rest of the settings as they are. And here you go. These are the growing keywords right now. Diabetic meal plans, gestational diabetes recipes, smoothie recipes, had a slight dip but still worth promoting, okay? Workout routines and exercise routines are also doing really well. You'll find tons of affiliate content for these on platforms like ClickBank. Meal Black People is trending too. This could be a great angle for culturally relevant meal plans or recipes, right? Other keywords like sunburn relief and mosquito remedies are picking up as well. Now, these are all great keywords and hashtags to use if you're creating content in the health or wellness space, especially around weight loss or fitness, okay? Now, keep in mind, this strategy works for any niche. And if we checked finance, look at this. Saving Money chart is trending right now. You can literally download a chart template from Canva and list it on Pinterest or even Etsy. Budgeting tips and budget planning are also hot right now. Seriously, so much money to be made online. You just have to stay open-minded and take action. While you're focusing on affiliate marketing, don't sleep on digital products. Okay, you can grab free templates, tweak them a little, and sell them for $5 to $10 each. Super simple for a template you literally got for free, right? Now, let's head back to the Pinterest menu and click on Create Pin. Alright, so once you're in this interface, go ahead and click on this icon to upload the video you just downloaded. Easy peasy, right? Now, before you start filling in the title, description, and all that stuff, there's something important you should do first. You want your video to pop and have that TikTok style vibe people are already used to seeing, okay? So, let's click on Edit Cover to choose something a little more eye-catching. I think this one looks way better, don't you? Next, open up the text editor so we can add a fun text overlay. I'm going with POV, when your friend drops 30 pounds and swears she didn't even work out. On the left-hand side, you'll see the options to tweak the text, change the font, size, and most importantly, the color. I'm feeling green for this one. It really stands out. Now, just a heads up, Pinterest's built-in editor is okay for quick edits, but if you want more control and a cleaner look, I highly recommend using CapCut, okay? It's super beginner-friendly and way more versatile. Alright, this already looks so much better. Now moving on is the title and description. Ensure is SEO-based description. Go ahead and paste in your affiliate link. We saved that earlier, remember, right? If you don't already have a board, take a second to create one. Boards are super helpful for keeping your pins organized and easy to find. For tags, make sure you're using relevant and trending keywords so your content gets seen. And that's it. Once everything looks good, hit publish to go live. Super simple, right? And here's the best part. Anytime someone watches your video, clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you're earning a sweet $178 commission. Not bad for a few minutes of work.
POV, my friend just dropped 30 pounds and told me this.
Girl, what did you do? You look amazing in your new pics.
OMG, stop. Thank you. It's been a journey, seriously.
No, but for real, how? I swear last time we talked you were still struggling with energy and cravings.
I was. That's the craziest part. I honestly felt stuck. Nothing worked. Not even running every morning. I was exhausted and my scale laughed at me.
Relatable, so what changed?
Okay, don't laugh, but I started taking this supplement called Midolin. At first, I thought it was just another scammy thing, but my coworker swore by it.
Mitalin, never heard of it. What's in it?
Some mitochondrial magic, lol. No, but seriously, it's designed to kickstart your metabolism from the inside. Like cell-level energy production, I didn't even know that was a thing.
Okay, but did it actually do anything?
It was weird. Week 1, I felt more alert, no crashes, then I noticed I wasn't craving sugar like before. By week 3, I legit lost 6 pounds without changing anything else.
What? That's insane.
Right? Now I'm down 18 total. Clothes fit better. I'm not starving myself. It feels sustainable, finally. I actually like how I feel in my body again.
I need this like yesterday. Please send me the link.
No probs, girl. Already on it. I'll DM it to you, okay? Get the one with the cellular blend. That's what worked for me.
Now, just to be clear, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's not magic. This is simply a smart, strategic method that savvy business owners and affiliate marketers are using right now to drive traffic and generate real sales. But here's the key. You can't just post one video and expect instant results. You'll need to create multiple videos and start sharing them across other platforms too. Think TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, basically anywhere short-form video lives, okay? Once you start seeing even small results, a few clicks here, a few sales there, that's your signal. That's when you can think about scaling up with native ads or even display ads to reach a wider audience. I hope that's making sense so far. And please, drop a comment below if this is your first time hearing about the fake text message video style. I'd love to know if you're thinking about giving it a try. Let's talk about it.